Hey guys, so I wanted to share something with you that I just picked up that I think everybody with a newer car should have. It's these scan tools, the OBD2 scanners. You can pick these up anywhere. I'll put a link in the description where I got this. But what's nice about these things is, all these new cars are electronic. Well, these little devices will tell you what's wrong with it, and they'll help you clear codes as well. So let me go ahead and open this up. I'll show you what this one looks like. Okay, so they're pretty basic. Get a charging cable here to charge it. Then you get the device itself. And it'll work on any car with the OBD2 port, which a lot of the newer cars will have. And it's basic. All you do is plug it in. And it has an on-screen menu, and you just go through it and it'll tell you if anything's wrong with it. I'll kind of give you a rundown here on my car. Give you a quick overview here. So the OBD2 port is usually under the dash somewhere. You just find it and you plug it in. And as soon as you do, it'll pop up a little menu here. Now they're all a little different, but they all work pretty similar. They have the lookup codes so you can find out what the code means. Show you things like the health of your battery. So a lot of you guys had like starting issues. You don't want to turn the car on all the way. You just push it once. So I think for the price, these things are invaluable. Like, they're perfect to have. Instead of going to the dealer, paying a lot of their fees are $150, I think, just to tell you what's wrong with it. Well, this device is way cheaper than that, and it'll tell you what's wrong with it if your lights come on. Then you'll know. If it's something major, you have to get it fixed. If your injectors are messed up, something like that, then yeah, you take it to the dealer. But if it's something minor, and you really don't have the money, you don't want to fix it right now, this will let you know how severe it is. That's what I like about these things. It's a great tool to have. Like I said, especially these new cars, any little thing can set off a light. And sometimes you just want to know if it can be cleared, not damage the car. That's kind of important, instead of just driving around with it like that. So this thing, see, you can go through all the makes and models and select what you have. And then it'll tell you what the code means for that car, because every manufacturer has different codes, so they mean different things. So then you can go here and just enter codes. So pretty basic. Like I said, I've had probably 2 or 3 different ones, and they all work the same as far as what they tell you, resetting codes, the battery, and all that kind of stuff. A basic tool. Like I said, it's great to have. If you guys don't have one, I would definitely pick one up, just so you're not wasting money. I'm going to the dealer, especially if you're out of warranty. I would say that's probably the biggest thing. Because like I said, I've did something to my car before and they wanted to charge me $150 just to tell me what the code was. And that wasn't to fix the issue. That's just to tell me, So having something like this, very easy. You charge it. It's good to go. Keep it in your car. It'll come in really handy. Like I said, you never know how nice these things are to have until you have a light on your dash. And like I said, it'll tell you exactly what it is. So you can either go to the dealer or maybe not stress about it. That's probably half of it, just knowing what the codes mean. Because sometimes you do need to go to the dealer and get it fixed. Something major that can damage your car. And sometimes it's something that can wait, depending on your situation. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, check the link in the description. This one's inexpensive and does the job. Does all the basic information you need. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are getting lights on your dash up here, this will definitely help you take it off. So definitely pick one up. I appreciate all the support. I do. Have another video coming up very shortly. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. I'll catch you guys in the next one.